what's up, YouTube? How you doing? KT? Try it again. KT? She said, and me, BJ, and little man. Anyway, some of y'all don't know, my truck broke down, so BJ came to the rescue from Louisiana, picked us up in Laramie. We left out this morning, going to California, waiting for my truck to get fixed. The rear end went out in it. So, how many miles you drove so far? She don't know. She's been telling me every 5 minutes how many miles she's drove today. And now, all of a sudden, when I'm on video, she doesn't know.
I can stop this truck and you can get out.
Look, there it is right there.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. We're almost here where we're stopping. We are legal.
We got 37 to go.
37 miles to go. We are legal and everything. And we got a load of truck bed campers. And that's what we do. So I just wanted to come to y'all and let y'all know what's going on. Flip this camera around and see some of the scenery real quick. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Sunshine. Alright, guys and girls, KT and BJ and little man. Say, hey man, little man. Oh, he loves his daddy. Love the daddy. Alright, anyway, tell him bye, baby. Alright, guys, we'll see y'all later. Don't forget to share it, subscribe, like it, comment. Leave me a comment, man, if you want to. See y'all.